Welcome to the world of pure luxury.
1 billion cochineal insects arrive. The start of a color born in nature. Thousands of sacks emptied at once. A mountain of harvested insects. A continuous river of insects, moving into the heart of the factory. Crushed open. And the color hidden inside is finally revealed. Tons of vivid red powder, flowing continuously from the mill. The red powder enters hot water, where its pigment begins to dissolve.
Hot water draws the color out, turning clear liquid crimson.
The crimson extract flows onward, toward filtration. Filtered clean, only pure red liquid continues forward. Thousands of liters of pure extract, held ready for the next stage.
An aluminum mordant is dosed in, the key to locking in the color.
The pH is adjusted precisely, triggering the reaction to come. The reaction completes. Carmine pigment forms before your eyes.
Spun at high speed, solid pigment separated from liquid. Washed clean, every trace of leftover salt rinsed away.
Tons of concentrated carmine paste, ready for drying. Pressed under heavy plates. Water forced out, pigment concentrated. Dried in the tunnel, soft paste hardening into solid cake. The dried cake is broken down, one stage before the final powder. Tons of pure pigment stored. The color at the heart of every shade. The pigment moves onward, toward becoming a lipstick. Carnauba wax melts first, the structural base of every bar.
Beeswax added next. Smoothness and hold blended in.
Candelia wax joins the blend, the third structural layer.
A softening oil blend follows for a smooth, comfortable finish. Castor oil poured in, the base that gives every lipstick its glide.
The carmine pigment enters, and the entire mixture turns red. Blended thoroughly, until every part of the base is one uniform red.
A touch of white pigment fine-tunes the exact final shade.
A light fragrance is added, carefully, at a lower temperature. A final antioxidant is blended in, protecting the finished product.
Trapped air removed under vacuum, leaving a perfectly smooth mass.
The finished red mass flows onward, toward the molding line.
Poured into hundreds of molds at once, each one identical.
Thousands of molds, filled simultaneously, extend across the floor.
Chilled precisely, the liquid becomes a solid lipstick bullet. Released from the mold. Solid, perfectly shaped, one by one.
A brief flame gives every bullet its brilliant, glossy shine.
Every bullet checked, shape and shine confirmed automatically.
Each bullet is placed into its luxury case, one by one. The case closes, sealed and protected, ready for branding.
The brand mark is pressed into every case, permanently. A gold foil label completes the case, luxury, sealed in.
Each lipstick is boxed individually. Presentation matters. Automated packaging systems position every lipstick precisely inside its fitted presentation box.
Wrapped in cellophane. Sealed fresh for the shelf.
Thousands of finished lipsticks flowing continuously toward packing.
The entire line runs continuously. 1 billion insects, one color. Loaded and departing, heading to stores worldwide.
On shelves everywhere. The final destination of the journey. Unwrapped at last. The moment the journey was made for.